education is always key and the best. So ensure that you learn as much as you can, do your research, go around it, get to know, yeah. So always check registration, ask for statements, attend the GMs, know your rights as a member. And number 8, who should join a circle? Ask yourself. It's you and me, or me and you, the way you want to put it. Circles are for anyone who wants to save, to grow, and borrow wisely. Number 1, students. Comrades are like, hey, even us, yes, even you. So comrades. And then you have the other students. You have employees. You call them hustlers, entrepreneurs, farmers, and then SMEs. They are called small business owners, and freelancers. Freelancers, you can place anybody working online. I put them under that category. The engineers, software engineers, or whatever, the graphic designers, everybody, So you don't need to be rich to join. You just need the discipline to save regularly and the patience to let your money work for you. One time, I met a guy that on the outside look, you'd look useless, like somebody would not give back to society. And then he was just earning little money, by the way. But what shocked me is that how he made wealth. So the guy used to work for a certain company, and he disciplined himself to be saving only 3,000 a month, and he would really stretch to do it because he was earning very little money. And then the guy saved every month, and then later with a circle, and this circle, I'll not say the name, but with a circle, then the guy one day he went and took some not even alone, the man that is with that circle, to accrue interest, and did a very good project. So people are like, oh, he's joined the Illuminati. In Africa, when somebody makes money, and maybe you've been living a very pathetic or miserable life, they'll be like, this guy's joined the Illuminati, he's in whatever, so many bad things, But this guy was just disciplined. They did a very good project, and he picked up, and he continued. So when you're disciplined enough, don't live somebody else's life, live your life, So you don't need to be rich, as I say, and you just need to be disciplined financially. In closing, so to everyone watching today, or maybe those who will find this clip later, if you're tired of saving in a teen at home, or spending everything you earn, maybe it's time for you to level up. Join a circle, start small, start consistent. In 1 year, you'll be shocked at the progress you've made. In 5 years, you must just buy a land, build a house, finally say goodbye to financial stress. So drop your questions in the chat box and DM me if you need help choosing a circle. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to come. Otherwise, I want to thank you and appreciate you today for listening to me. And it's always good to bring your input, your thoughts. Let's go around this together. Having financial knowledge is good. Otherwise, thank you. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.